Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and a quick one for you today. Well, hopefully, we've got a case video. Not done a case video in quite a while, have I? Anyway, we're looking at this. This is Spigen. It's for the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. They might do it for the other ones as well, but I can't remember seeing it. And it's the Ultra Hybrid, but it's the classic. And it kind of looks like an old style iPod. Looks pretty cool. And I figured, you know what? Picked up on Amazon. About £20, actually no, £22 with 20% discount, so like 18 quid give or take. But you also got a free bag with that as well, which was apparently worth 25 quid. So I figured I'd pick it up, need some protection, and it looks a little funky as well. You know, it's a bit different than what I normally go for. So my phone is still setting up. If you've watched my screen protector, yeah, I'm still backing up my old phone, which is taking a lot longer than I expected. Should have done it before now, shouldn't I? Yeah. Anyway, well, bam! How cool does that look? So let's take off the protector on the outside of it, because it's very shiny. Shiny. There we go, that looks better, doesn't it? So this here is MagSafe, which obviously, you know, a little dot there as well. But if you're if you're a bit older, you know, like some of the little youngins these days, this is obviously from, it looks like an old iPod. So, you know, you've got a little click wheel going around, you know. I just thought it looked pretty cool. You know, a bit different, you know, a bit nice. Camera cut out obviously for the new camera feature. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. So I mean, I'm going to show you on there, show you the information on this side there. We'll take this off here. Boom. Put the plastic off to the side. Here's the old Phone-a-Rooney. So I'd stick it on. It should be, and this is going to be a test for screen protector as well, isn't it? I'm hoping that it's just going to fit in without any problems. So we'll see. We shall soon see. So if I can get it on there, boom, boom. Happy days. Oh, snug as a bug. Wow. Let me wipe that down. That looks... I don't think I've seen a cleaner fit for a long time. Let me see if I can get you close up of that. Look at that. There's literally no gap. And that's that screen protector that I just showed you. I will link down below. So the total combo for the screen protector and the case, I'm thinking is about £27 to £30. Again, I'll put the exact amount there what I did pay. But yeah, happy days on that one. First things first, that button, absolutely phenomenal. Sounds weird to say it like that, but feels so nice. And that's because it's got like the little air caps. Little, can I say the word, kind of like little air gaps. So when you press it in, it feels lovely. On the same exact on the other side as well. So all these buttons, super easy to press. I'm impressed by this case. So let's take you around it again really quickly. It's got the cutout for the new camera control. Cool there. Obviously power button. Nothing at the top. Got your 3 buttons on the left hand side. It's got your Spigen branding. On the bottom, nice size cutouts. So it should be okay with most of your custom cables if you're going to be using them. And on the back of it, give it a quick wipe. Nice, look at that. Does it have like a little lip? It does, I think. Let me just feel it. Oh, ever so slightly, a slight little lip in there. And on the front of it, even though I've got a screen protector, it still does have a little lip. So if you are going to be putting your phone down, don't worry about it. No problems at all. And obviously you've got your MagSafe on the back of there as well. Now, some of you goes, do you not test them out? I don't use MagSafe. I don't use the whole charging system. I've used the battery now and again. But apart from that, I've used like a pop grip. But for me, it just ruins your battery quicker. Just how it is, isn't it? But yeah, how cool is that? That is pretty damn funky, isn't it? Huh? Anyway, that's it. I think that is. It's the Ultra Hybrid, the classic white. They do a black version as well. If you do want to pick one up, I will put a link down below. I got mine on Amazon, so obviously you'll probably be able to get them elsewhere as well, but I'll put some Amazon links down below if you want to go pick it up. And if you do pick it up on my link, then it does help the channel out as well. Anyway, people, that's it. That's the Ultra Hybrid Classic. I like that. That's really nice. Any question with regards to this or anything else, hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button, you know you want to. And go on, subscribe. Why? Because it's free. Honestly, just cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, once again, everyone, I want to say thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you don't always see me, but you definitely hear me, and you see these puppies in my next one. Cheers, everyone.